Hi everyone. In this video, I am trying to troubleshoot this particular problem. I am trying to connect to the director and when I clicked on sessions, it says unexpected error. Check your network connection or view director server event logs for further information. So basically it is not showing any details here. For whatever reason, it is not displaying any information. So I'm planning to do some troubleshooting here. Let me click on failures. Okay, it's loading. In the meanwhile, let's try to log into the storefront server and try to, yeah, still throwing this error. Okay, let me log into storefront. Okay, I'm going to hit login. It's trying to authenticate. Okay, it says there are no apps or desktops available to you at this time. This is interesting. Let me go to controller. Okay, it says fail to validate the central configuration service. Okay, something is wrong with the database. Let me go to services. Okay, all services are up. You see here, all Citrix related services are up. Okay, SQL Server agent is in downstairs. Let me start it. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me restart Citrix configuration logging service. I'm going to restart the service. So if a director is not showing information, then then there is something issue with the service. Okay, let me refresh. Let me log off and okay, it's getting restarted. Let me wait until it is completed. I think it's almost there. So when director is not displaying critical information for whatever reason, if you have access to the servers, then you can do it. Otherwise, you may have to send it to the next level team. Okay, so it seems like it is started. Let's quickly go back and log in and see how it goes this time. Okay, let me log in. Okay, I'm hitting login. Okay, this time it is showing the applications after restarting Citrix configuration service. Okay, after restarting Citrix configuration logging service, it's showing some details now. Okay, let's try to launch a virtual desktop. Let's click open. It should connect fine. Okay, so we are almost there. We should see the desktop in a few seconds. Okay, looks good now. The app has launched successfully. Now uh, let's go back to Citrix Director and see what is happening. So initially we had this issue, right? It was giving unexpected error. Check your network connection or view director server event logs. For further information, refer Citrix KB. So it was not displaying details because something was wrong with the critical services. So let's do one thing. Okay, let's close this now. Let's try to connect. Let's try to refresh and see if it still throws the same error or not. Okay, I'm just trying to refresh. All right. This time it loaded successfully and it did not throw any error message. If you see now, see we can check all the details here. It's not throwing any error message. Okay, so the issue that we had faced initially, that logging into Citrix Director and it was throwing that error message, that has been fixed after restarting one of the critical services on the controller because some service is not responding. So if you are working on Citrix Director in your environment and for whatever reason if you see that error message, then if you have access to the controller, then you can troubleshoot. Otherwise you may have to check with the next level to fix the problem. All right, I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Thank you.